Goodbye, Horta. We are moving on.
This next leg of our voyage will test our problem-solving skills. Look, we all make mistakes. It sure seems like it would be easy to go back in time and do the right thing once we see the error that was made. But that's not life as we know it. Yet.
We're just about ready to pull the main and on our way to Gibraltar. It should be about 10 days. All right, we decided to put one reef in the main. It's blowing about 18 knots. So we just got the mainsail up, got everything tightened, and we've had to take the mainsail off and the head sail. So everything is just, we're checking everything to make sure it's all good. Just pulled the jib out, have a full jib. We're going 9 knots right out of the gate, coming out hot. Coming out real hot. Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. Who's this? We got a stowaway. Miriam Riavid.
Here I am. I'm your Amelia stowaway. We're leaving Port Rafael Island, headed to Gibraltar. Here we go.
Yeah. Alright, let's go check on Karsten. How are the sails looking?
Beautiful. Fast and scary.
Yeehaw! We had to patch up the head sail, and then we had our clew ripped out of the mainsail. How are the lines looking? Looking pretty. Look at that nice new halyard. Woo, sexy. Yep. Oh boy. Just finished another watch. It was 2 in a row where it wasn't as rough as last night. I had a midnight to 3 a.m. watch, and the wind is coming directly from Gibraltar, which is where we're trying to go. So we're pointing as high into the wind as we can, and it's a bit uncomfortable. I feel funny saying that, but I got used to Amelia when she's sailing on a beam or any other direction. And even this is fine, but it's blowing 20, like last night it was 24, 25 knots steady, and it was just right on the nose. So the waves are just bam, and there's bashing, and I'm still just getting my sea legs, I guess, from that little break in Horta. And we're just getting into the groove of this next leg, which will be the final leg of an Atlantic crossing. Come on, then we'll have an Atlantic crossing under our belt, all of us. Karsten and I, for the first time in our lives. This will be Tony's 7th, I think Danny's 4th. So Miriam, she got on in Horta, so she won't have the full Atlantic crossing, but she's going to have quite an experience that she gets to have for the rest of her life.
Oh, dolphins. Who doesn't love dolphins? With that permanent, mischievous grin on their face, it's as if they know some secret that they are keeping to themselves. Why so serious, humans? Because we have higher cognitive abilities than you. We know things that you don't. And it stresses us out, you and your playful nature. Bah!
So this is my first morning watch. The sun is rising. I had a night watch. That was a little tough. Just getting back into the groove. And look at all these dolphins hanging out on the bow. This is beautiful, just as the sun is rising. Good morning. Amazing.
Oh, it's so beautiful. For lunch, we have spaghetti, curry, and garlic toast, and regular toast with balsamic and egg whites.
We're overtaking him, Captain.
Let them in their sights.
What's the play here? Ready the cannons? Are we preparing to board?
Ready the gunships.
Yeah, we caught these guys pretty quick, and as you can see, we're all very excited. Everyone's just over here staring at them. Wow, another boat. It's a nice looking catamaran. Do you know what kind of boat that is?
The lagoon.
A lagoon.
I would say 400.
Lagoon 400.
How many on board? Over. Excellent. We are 5 now. We're looking to catch a fish. Over.
Looks like it. And you are only taking
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, remember I said mistakes were made? Here's where we are now. The port side D-ring on our dinghy has busted off. All the weight of the dinghy and outboard is held up by one secure point on the bow and 2 on the stern. The dinghy is not riding well, and if one more D-ring fails, it won't be pretty. Currently, we are attempting to run webbing underneath the dinghy and up through the davits using a ratchet to pull it tight. The could'ves and should'ves do us no good out here, but moving forward, reflection can be useful. Number 1, we pulled the dinghy tight to the davits with lines run to cleats, and the extra step we could have taken was to use the webbing and ratchet strap as well. The outboard and dinghy is extremely heavy and complicated. The outboard does not just lift off, as it is connected by wires, pulleys, and hoses to the steering wheel and throttle controls. Still, I'll admit it was possible to get the dinghy and outboard secured somewhere on board, though it would have taken a great effort and could have created other issues. Nonetheless, here we are. We are successful for now, but this isn't over.
We pulled that in the jammer. Go up with you, so you've got...
Yeah, if there's not too much trouble, it's like just connect up to this.
Okay.
That would be.
John, everything gets on the top. There you go.
There was plenty of action to go around on this day.
Like you said it best. Are you gonna pull the slack out or just want to see if it's working?
The topping lift that holds the very heavy boom and mainsail up chafed, broke, and is now thoroughly tangled up in our standing rigging.
So you have to put him in for the sailor of the year.
If we need to lower the mainsail, the weight of the sail and boom will drop onto the hardtop, possibly damaging solar panels and or the hardtop.
Put your head on this radar.
The weather is fantastic, and these are the calmest seas we have seen so far since leaving Horta. With full sails, Amelia is riding pretty stable.
Oh, well done, son.
Thinking that part there where it's going between the two. Spreader.
I think it's in the way. I can't really go higher.
Okay.
Try and step around it.
Alright, done well. Yep. Oh, well done.
Yeah, there you go.
So as I bring it down, you can see where it's.
Yeah, will it? Stand it slack, will it come down with you?
Here, I'm gonna bring it to so you can secure it.
Yeah, as long as we can get down to deck, we can have a look at it again. Oh, good one.
Got it?
Yep, got it. Yeah.
It's not, it's like it's jagged, it's not letting it. Alright, hold on. That's what was holding it.
Up with that. Let's drop the two rubbers in there.
Can you let go of that?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, let it go.
Don't hold the track you want. It's around your waist. Yeah, right. There.
You'll be able to unwrap it from the Dinghy.
Nice. Nicely done.
Thank you. Yeah, you can go around the outside and unwrap it.
Wait till he comes back down.
I'm gonna try to drop this in the sailbag, Danny, and not break it. I don't know if
You can't come down with it.
No.
Okay.
I can try to catch it for you. No? Okay.
I'm gonna go in the sailbag.
Yep.
What's up?
Epa!
Is it still going? It is still going, isn't it? Yes, it is going.
Is it really? Oh, then maybe it wasn't filming the rest of the time.
Well, no, now it's filming now.
It-
Did it. Here's the man. Woo! Here's the man. Ha ha! Here's the man.
Unbelievable.
Big cheers.
That was fun.
Danny.
Danny. All right.
Cool.
Crisis averted.
We have a fucking list.
We only lost one boat hook, unfortunately, but we got our topping
All
list.
this black shit coming down. Parachute.
All right. That was exciting.
With each obstacle encountered, this team is growing stronger. We each have a valuable role to play, and together we are proving to be resilient and determined.
Or you can put a new bowl in around the pin. Or you may have trouble reaching it. So. Go down. Yeah. Up you go. Yeah. Yep. That's fine. Up the whole course.
Yeah, sailbag's tied off.
All right. Thank you. Good job.
Yeah, get there.
They're having a man moment.
Totarum. Totarum.
Hurry up, you're on watch, you know.
I know.
Yeah. The things you do to get out of watch. Huh?
Yeah.
I waited perfect timing to my rock.
Yes.
Team Amelia.
Man.
That was just reminds me of what I...
We've had Edwin the pigeon hitching a ride with us for the last couple hours now.
Stay tuned to see how the Amelia crew holds up when things get dicey.
I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled on the AIS, but we've had a few boats go by that weren't on AIS.
And subscribe if you like cheese.
On a boat.